Hello everyone, today I'm just sharing with you a video response for Joanne Leigh. She is in Australia and she's having a birthday challenge. The challenge ends at the end of February and it was for an inspirational tag. Now she did say in her video that it could be like a wall hanging as well, and I'm glad she said that because Joanne likes cute things, like cutesy things, and the only image I kind of had was a larger image, so I've had to make a larger wall hanging, Joanne. I am sorry about that, but I wanted to use the image. It was sent to me by Rita, and it really is a beautiful image, as you can see, of this teddy bear all dressed up, and I thought, well, that's probably the cutest sort of thing I've got. And it is a really beautiful image, and so I've made you a wall hanging using that image. That's the bottom. It is a little bit difficult. If I take it like, see that's kind of what it looks like. That's the bottom there, and that's the top there. And I'll bring it up closer, and like I said, the image is from Rita. Thank you so much, Rita. She sent me some beautiful fabric images, and it's of a teddy bear like really dressed up over the top, and I thought that it went in with one of my favorite quotes, which is "Live the life you've imagined." I love that quote because we always picture things in our mind and think we can't have that particular thing, but in reality we can. You know, we can make it ourselves. You can live any way that you really want to be able to live. So I love that quote. Okay, we'll start at the top. The actual wall hanging is made out of cardboard box. I have covered it in this lovely fabric here and gone around the edges with this lovely little trim, and that was from Irene. Seriously Scrapping. Thank you, Irene. I've just hung two pieces of seam binding and a piece of lace for the hanger and just knotted it at each side because I wanted to be able to see bits of the blue from the front. It's a complete mixture of flowers that I had and a few pearls and things like that. I have some green flowers cut up behind there. I have a doily. I have some little flowers poking underneath this fabric flower here. There's an organza flower there from Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. I have more fabric flowers and paper flowers. The paper flowers are all from Jean Rag from quite some time ago. Thank you for that, Jean. And some vintage lace flowers. This colour flower that you'll see around is from, it's from a lace from Trésors Deluxe. We have some more beautiful flowers. That's from Rita as well. And so are these blue ones here. So they match the picture really, really nicely. We have some wedding applique and flat back pearls. We have a few doodad flowers with pearls in the centre. Some more paper flowers, and these darker ones were from Louisa. This particular flower here is from Roseanne, and I've just put a satin flower on top. Another antique lace flower there, little leaf, some crocheted edging. This crochet trim with the flowers on it is from Vilma. Thank you, Vilma. This, I think there's a couple, I think there's two on here of these little, they were the very last two of my own embroidered flowers that I had. Then we have some more flatbacks. We have a little wooden heart doubled up. More velvet flowers and little flowers underneath there. Just a homemade flower and some ribbons. I have some green tassels hanging down there like beaded trim. Some more flowers. Another one from Rita. Handmade flowers and more ribbon. And this lovely trim here was also from Jean Rag. And I've put little bits underneath here and here as well. I have a jewel that was my own, and it had a little It must have been from a necklace, and it had a little loop. So I've made this tassel, and I crocheted that myself, and I followed a couple of different tutorials, one from Pampered Petals from Laquita, thank you Laquita, and then I sort of flitted around on YouTube and sort of mashed a couple together. So I used Laquita's tutorial, but I combined it with another one. So, and I actually made that last year before Christmas. So I, you know, if I can find where I, you know, the two tutorials that I put together, I will definitely link that. And I've just put that under a little flower. I've kind of got that in there as best I can. And that's the bottom of it there. So we have the pink lace, and then underneath it I have this lovely doily piece, which I love the way it hangs. And then at the other side of that, just so that I can, oh, I've got to be careful. See, I've just put some stickles inside these little flowers here, and I don't want to ruin that, so I've got to be careful what I touch. There's only one there, one there. I thought there was another one too. Perhaps I was wrong. It's hiding. Must be hiding. I thought there were three. Let's hope I don't touch it, so I'll hold it over here. That's the pink dangle trim that I used on the back, and I think that was also from Jean Rag because it's the same colour. So that is my inspirational large tag wall hanging. And I hope you like it, Joanne. It was a lot of fun doing it. A little bit out of my comfort zone because, you know, I don't have many cute type of things, but I did enjoy making it for you. And I was about to start packing this up once this dried, and then I realized I didn't make you a card. So I've made you a quick card. I've just used the craft envelope and card, and I found I had some stickers in there, and I completely surprised me that I actually had happy birthday stickers from a long time ago. So that's the front of the card, and then inside I haven't written in it yet. It says with love and best wishes, and I found a cute teddy bear sticker as well that I had. I completely forgot I had those things, so I thought that was rather good that they match. So that's the card, and this will more than likely go out on Monday to you, Joanne, seeing as it's only Saturday here today. And there we go. I hope you like it, and if you'd like to take part in Joanne's challenge, I will put a link in the description box below. Take care, everybody.